Good morning, students. Today we will revise chapter number 6 and 7 of supplementary reader book, and the topics are the fight and the open window. So, first of all, I will tell you the brief summary of chapter number 6, the fight. Students, in this chapter there is a boy whose name is Ransi. He is wandering in the forest, and there he found a pool. The pool is very enchanting because the water of the pool was clear and very clear. He had never seen such kind of pool in his village, because in his village the water of the pool was muddy and sticky. Buffaloes wallowed in the pool and women washed their clothes. That's why he wanted to enjoy in that clean water. It was a very hot day. It was a summer season, so he got down in the pool. And next day he was enjoying there. Then he saw that there was another boy who came towards the pool. Ransi became very happy, and he thought that he would be his friend. He would set the friendship with that boy, but he was surprised at the behavior of that stranger, that boy. The boy asked that what he was doing there. Ransi replied that he was swimming and he should also join. Then he said that he did not like the company of the boys, the children like him. He did not like the villagers. So both of them argued too much, and after that the stranger, the other one, claimed that the pool belonged to him. That pool only belonged to him, and Ransi had no right to swim in that pool. That's why both of them started fighting. Both of them proclaimed that they were the fighter and the warrior. Ransi told that he was a fighter, and the stranger told that he was a warrior. Both of them started fighting, and after that nobody could win the fight. Both of them tried their level best, and the fighting continued. And after some time, there was no decision of that fighting. After that, they left each other, and both of them were staring towards each other, but nobody could move forward. Then the warrior, means the stranger, said that if you come tomorrow, I will beat you. I will not allow you to enter the pool. Then Ransi returned his home, and he found that it was very difficult to tell the cut marks on his face. It was very difficult to tell to his parents the cut marks which were on his face. He went to the bazaar and he drank lemonade, and he ate hot jalebis also. And there he saw that his opponent was coming. First of all, he thought to turn his face, but again he thought to throw the empty bottle onto his opponent, but he did not do so. Both of them stared at each other, and after that they passed. Next day, Ransi did not want to fight with the stranger, but he thought that if he will not go there, it will be the acceptance of his defeat. So he must go there. He was not willing for the fight. When he reached there, he found that his opponent was opponent saw Ranji, he cried, "Just come here and have fighting with me." He again cried that, "Just come across this river and start fighting with me." Then it was a very easy task for Ranji to swim. He thought that he should show his worthiness, and he jumped into the river. He swam across the river. Seeing the capacity of swimming and diving of Ranji, his opponent became very astonished. He was surprised. He said that, can you swim? Can you dive? Then Ranji said that it is very easy task. Then he said that, "Please teach me how to swim and dive. If you teach me, then I will make you a wrestler, because your body is very thin." And the stranger also told that he wanted to become a wrestler. He said that, "If you teach me how to swim and dive, then I will make you a wrestler, because I have cows and I drink a little milk per day." So at last Ranji taught him how to swim, and both of them forgot their enmity, and both of them became good friends. So students, enmity never brings happiness. So you should always try to shed friendship with anybody. You should not start fighting with others. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all about this chapter. Just see what type of questions I have earlier told you that Ranji was a tortured fighter, warrior, musician, none of these. 4 options will be there. So whatever the option will be correct, you will take. Just like fighter, he was fighter. So in such a way, there will be the question. Okay, students. Now see chapter number 7, the open window. Frampton Nuttall. He was suffering from mental pressure, bad nerves. So he was sent to the rural retreat to cure his ailment. He had been given a letters of introduction so that he might meet the people who were familiar to his systems. He went there, and first of all he reached to Mrs. Sappleton's home. When he reached there, he found that Mrs. Sappleton was busy upstairs, and he met her niece. The niece immediately came to know that the person, Frampton Nuttall, was not familiar to anyone there. So he started telling the story. There was a French open window in her house, and she told that the window is open because a tragedy had occurred with this open window. Frampton Nuttall became surprised that what type of tragedy. Then the niece started telling that her aunt's husband and her 2 brothers went through this window 3 years ago, and they had been engulfed by the wall, and her aunt is waiting. Her aunt was waiting for all the 3 persons, but till date they had not returned. That's why the window was open. On this, at that time, Mrs. Sappleton got down, and she said that she was sorry because Frampton had to wait for a long time. She also told the story of the open window. Frampton Nuttall wanted to tell about his element, but she was so busy to look towards the open window. She did not pay any heed towards Frampton Nuttall. She was saying how her husband and her two brothers with a spaniel dog left his home through that open window, and she said that she hoped today also that they would return. Sitting there, both of them were talking. At that time, Frampton Nuttall, he saw that there were three figures and they were coming towards the window. He got frightened, and the niece also got frightened when Mrs. Appleton announced that all the three persons were returning. Frampton Nuttall got worried, got frightened, and he left that home and he ran away from that place. Mrs. Appleton was surprised at the behavior of the stranger. She said that why he left my house, why he left her house, she did not know. On this, her niece said that he was fearing from the dog. He has a fear from the dog. He told me that once he was coming to the burial ground, and there he was surrounded by a group of dogs, and he had to spend his whole night under a newly dug grave. That's why he had a fear from the dog, and seeing the dog, he left their house, Mrs. Appleton's house. So such was the specialty of that little girl to create the thrilling account. To create the thrill was the specialty of Mrs. Appleton's niece. That is given in this story. Students, now see one question. For example, Frampton Nuttall has bad nerves, diabetes, fever, none of this. So you are suffering from bad nerves. So you will tick this one, and in such a way your questions will be there. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day and best of luck for your exam.